Our nation stands on a crossroads, and throughout Wales, teams of activists, supporters, people with vision, knocking on doors, leafleting today, talking to people on the street and the shops, in the pubs, about the opportunity that is ahead of us as a nation if we can make the right choice based on hope, a vision for the future that Plaid Cymru represents. And I hope people make the positive choice based on our values, based on our vision on bringing waiting times down in the NHS, on raising standards in education, on the most generous childcare offer in the UK, on standing up for Wales. But the other option for Wales on this crossroad represents division, marred by the same old self-interest and the same old scandal. One party has to beat reform. Only Plaid Cymru can be that party. Other party leaders visit Wales. The Plaid Cymru leader doesn't visit Wales. The Plaid Cymru leader is in Wales every day because Plaid Cymru represents Wales every single day. A historic opportunity faces our nation tomorrow. As the leader of Plaid Cymru, I am asking the people of Wales to join us in seizing this opportunity and building a future for generations to come. Let's build the Welsh nation together for the people of Wales. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd.